Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line segments joining points P and Q. We have a line segment PQ and we have to find equation of the perpendicular bisector. Suppose AM is perpendicular bisector of PQ. Let x, y lie on the perpendicular bisector of PQ. So AP equal to AQ. Answer: let x, y lie on the perpendicular bisector of PQ. So A is equidistant from P and Q. This implies AP equal to AQ. We have to simplify this condition, then we will get required equation of this perpendicular bisector. What is AP? Square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to AQ. x1 minus x2 whole square, x minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, y minus 5 whole square. So y minus 5 whole square, squaring both sides, we get square root will be cancelled. So we have x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Simplify this condition. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square, 7 square is 49. 2 7 are 14x. A minus b whole square, again a square plus b square minus 2ab. Y square, 1 square is 1, 2ab. Here x square, 3 square is 9, minus 2 3 is 6x. Again expand y minus 5 whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we have y square plus 5 square 25, 2 5 is 10y. X square will cancel x square, y square will cancel y square. Now we have 49 plus 1, 50 minus 14x minus 2y equal to 25 plus 9, 34 minus 6x minus 10y. So 50 minus 14x minus 2y, shift 34 into LHS minus 34, shift minus 6x into LHS plus 6x, shift minus 10y into LHS plus 10y. what we have now? Minus 14x plus 6x minus 8x minus 2y और प्लस 6x, सॉरी माइनस 2y प्लस 10y प्लस 8y 50 माइनस 34 और 6 40, तो ये हो गया आपका 16 प्लस 16 इक्वल टू 0. टेक minus 8 common, so we have x minus y, x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So divide by minus 8, divide by minus 8, finally we have x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Again see this question. A lie on the perpendicular bisector of PQ. A lie on the perpendicular bisector of PQ. So AP equal to AQ. AP equal to AQ. Let A XY. Let A equal to X comma Y. So AP equal to AQ. What is AP? Square root of x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. What is AQ? Square root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square by using distance formula. Squaring both sides, square root will be cancelled. So we get finally x minus y minus 2 equal to 0.